Did you see at the other windows? Bryson, there's more. You gotta look around the room. There's more eggs.
Uh-oh. Apple.
What is it? What is it, Bryson? M. Yeah, M&M. Isn't that nice of the Easter Bunny? Ooh, you better eat it. Yeah, you can eat it.
Oh.
Yeah. M&M, yeah. Inside, yeah. Is it M&M? Yeah. Good?
Good.
Why don't you look for some more eggs? What? Yeah. Why don't you look for some more?
No.
How about over there? Do you see by the basket? Look over there.
Stay.
Over there behind you?
My apple.
No, it's not an
Oh.
apple. It's an egg.
You say open.
Open. You open it. You did a good job. You did it. Yeah. There you go. You can do it. It's like when you cook an egg. You crack it open. Yeah. Squeeze it. You want to squeeze it? See if that works. Can you squeeze it?
Yay.
How about step on it? You want to step on it? Step on it. Okay. Whoa! You cracked the egg.
Oh.
What is it?
Whoa. It's back.
Basket.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Do you want mommy to close it?
It's cold. Emma?
M&M, yeah. There you go.
Car.
Car.
Emma?
Oh, Bryson, you're funny.